Imagine a future where advanced combat drones act as trusted allies in the skies. In November 2023, General Ingo Gerhardt pushed for accelerated development in the Future Combat Air System, FCAS, highlighting the need for connected effectors and combat drones. The German Air Force's next-generation fighter will feature remote carriers developed by Airbus Defence and Space. In 2024, as France readies the Rafale F-5 with its Neuron drone, Airbus unveiled the Wingman concept UAV. This drone can be controlled from existing aircraft like the Eurofighter, taking on high-risk tasks such as electronic warfare and reconnaissance. However, Airbus' recent partnership with Kratos raises questions about the Wingman's future. They plan to provide the Luftwaffe with a collaborative uncrewed combat aircraft built on the XQ-58A Valkyrie platform. This drone, a part of the low-cost attritable strike unmanned aerial system demonstration program, debuted in March 2019 and boasts impressive specifications. The Valkyrie features a range of 5,600 kilometers and can reach speeds of Mach 0.9 at 45,000 feet. It carries 270 kilograms of payload internally, with options for greater external load. In a breakthrough moment, pilots controlled two Valkyries from F-16C and F-15E fighters, showcasing real-time integration between manned and semi-autonomous systems. In partnering with Kratos, Airbus aims to deliver a sovereign mission system for the Valkyrie, enhancing European defense capabilities. Airbus CEO Michael Schullhorn emphasized the urgent demand for both consumable and non-consumable collaborative combat aircraft due to current geopolitical challenges. This partnership strengthens NATO relations, promising essential combat capabilities for European forces before the decade ends. Following suit, Rheinmetall teamed with Anduril for the joint production of advanced missiles, further reflecting Europe's push for innovation in defense. In conclusion, the Wingman project and Airbus Kratos partnership signal an exciting future for combat aviation. The integration of drones like the Valkyrie into military strategies highlights the critical evolution of air combat. Join us as we keep monitoring these game-changing developments in aerial warfare. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insights on the future of defense technologies.